So it's this great wall of money, 175 billion of euros supposed to come in this year and 210 million the next year. That's what DTZ says. So, but the value and the income is created on the property, on the site. And it means there needs to be somebody who has the idea, who's looking for the strategies, and there needs to be another one who really performs this. And if we look for challenges, then to me, the biggest challenge is, are we really ready to create an efficient management system between the two of us with regard to, are we losing performance, quality, and client relations on our interfaces we have, and who can afford this? Because it's so many management level looking for the best, hope for the client, not for the money. So, and this is something that really is a challenge for us all, and I think I'm looking forward to this, and I'm very interested in doing so.
You see, having a good system does not win you a tenant. But having a good system makes sure your people that are winning tenants and that are chasing tenants are not distracted from their task by managing daily problems. So that would be sort of my comment, and I hope you don't take it. I have, it's of great value to have a stable operating system and so on. But in the end, what I find the most challenging part is really to get the contact, to approach the tenants, to give them a great product, and this includes first of all passion for your real estate, passion for your own real estate, passion for the tenant. It includes stability in your systems, and it includes in your daily operation that somebody is really taking care in the building. But it's all of these. It's all of these, and you need to make sure sort of you're dealing with all of these. If you've got, let's say, not so motivated asset managers in front, then even the best property manager can't save it, or even the best IT system can't save it. It's only when you get all of this together.
The job itself, in essence, did not change so much. We are all about providing the best premises to tenants, and that's ultimately what makes the value of our assets. So it's about stock picking, and indeed probably managing the imbalance sometimes we can see in markets where there is a strong capital pressure to invest versus a tenant demand which is relatively subdued. Still, that's the situation in Europe in many markets. So I don't think, in essence, it will change. The only thing is, I think, also thanks to systems and tools which are of growing quality, we will spend more time in interacting, indeed, with tenants and so on. We will get more information about the quality of the service the tenants are expecting. So ultimately, we don't want to. It's essential to be passionate about the assets and so on. At some point, from the tenant point of view, it's kind of a commodity. It's a second cost for companies all across the globe. Second cost after the wages, and very often it's a cost which is not really managed. So I think the combination, as Norbert was saying, combination of tools and integration of teams working as a team to indeed provide the best service is of interest really. When you think about yielding components, I think what is interesting is probably we have a slightly more clear segmentation of the market, where we have international capital indeed targeting assets, but very often very core, very prime assets, long-let properties and so on. And with that, I'd say the focus is really about maximizing the reporting quality, monitoring of the property, ensuring it's well positioned in the market. But I'd say at some point with long lease contracts, the essence of the value is at the start, and it's gradually diminishing over time. And then you have the asset management job really to regear the lease contracts and so on and recreate the value for the assets. The segmentation we are seeing with value add, opportunistic strategies is more about recycling and so on. And I'd say in terms of segmenting, we are probably a bit clearer now. We are also with investors who are probably better educated as well. So I'd say even when we advise international investors nowadays, the interaction we have with them, not only about the reporting and the financial performance, but also about the assets themselves, is bigger. It's more important. So if I could see a change, it's again transparency, clarity of the business plan, the mandate you are given, and actions.